अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज का जो हमारा लेक्चर सॉफ्टवेयर वेरिफिकेशन वैलिडेशन देखेंगे। सबसे पहले हम आएंगे कि सॉफ्टवेयर क्वालिटी इंश्योरेंस क्या होती है। तो एज यू नो अबाउट मी, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट यू सम सब्जेक्ट्स, so no need to introduction, I think so. I'm about class rules. You are a senior student, so you know about class rules. Reference box, I have preferred this box. I will share you this book in PDF form as well. Okay. And I also will upload in LMS. The grading policy, quiz, assignment, midterm, final is in a previous like activity. Okay. So first of all, we are moving in a topic. First of all, what is quality? In general terms, if we say what is quality, not a software quality, in general terms, what is quality? So quality actually is very difficult to define. It's extremely hard to define. It simply can be, in other words, we can say it in simple words, fit for use or fit for purpose. Fit for use or fit for purpose. Quality actually is too much difficult to define, but in simple words, in general, we can say that fit for use, fit for purpose is called quality. It is all about meeting the need and expectations of customers with respect to functionality, design, reliability, durability, and price of the product. So these are the main factors actually. Customers' expectation requirements, functionality, design, price of product, and durability. Fit for use in this sense that one person wants to buy a mobile. Okay, if he or she is a rich person, then he will get a very expensive mobile with a very nice design, with very uh, good functionality, etc. And this fit this mobile fit for expensive mobile fit for a rich person. But if a person not afford iPhone 11, okay, so he will use Android mobile or Nokia mobile 1100, okay, because mobile Nokia mobile is fit for that person, poor person, because he or she cannot afford, but he can use the functionality. He want to make calls, messages, text. So this mobile fit for that person. So quality is actually fit for use or fit for purpose. We cannot define quality in a way. Actually, it is a very hard to define, extremely hard to define quality, and it's actually about it's all about the customers expectations, customer requirements, customer want to functionality, etc. Okay, expectations and requirements. In other words, simple words is the quality is all about customers requirement and customers expectations. Now we are moving on the assurance. What is assurance? Assurance is a positive declaration, nothing else but a positive declaration of product or service which gives confidence at a certainty of product or service which will it will work well. It provides a guarantee that the product will work without any problem as per the expectation or requirement. Assurance is actually positive declaration. Take an example of water bottle. Okay, someone bringing a local water bottle, and someone bringing a Nestle water bottle. Inside the bottle is a water, both bottles, water. But price of the Nestle water bottle is higher than local bottle. Why? Because Nestle is not producing water. water, both waters are the same, but some changes, some liquids. Nestle actually giving assurance, giving a positive declaration on that product, on that water, that that bottle will be mineral water, pure mineral water without any problem. You can use it. Is a fit for you easily, but it's a little bit expensive than local bottles. But it's a good bottle. Why you thinking that Nestle bottle is a good? Because Nestle company giving a positive declaration on a product and a service. That's why you think that okay. Or any other service or any other example you can think, or you can say there are many examples. So assurance is a positive declaration on a product and a service. Okay, if you booked a guard, local guard, and if you book a guard from a company, okay, so which is beneficial for you? Company's guard, like a dogma, etc. Why? Because they are providing assurance that that person is a fit, and he will work without any problem. He will not get any problem, and guarantee, give us guarantee that you can use this. But it's a little bit expensive, or maybe some extra charges. Okay, but it provides us guarantee. So assurance is nothing but it is a guarantee. It is a positive declaration that that person is a that person, that product, that service is a very good, very nice, and you can use without any problem. Got it? Okay. Now we are moving on the what is quality assurance. First, we have discussed quality, and it's actually fit for use only. You can say that assurance is a positive declaration without any problem. You can use easily. Now, what is the quality assurance? Combinedly, quality and assurance. Then quality assurance. What is quality assurance? So in software terms, in computing terms, quality assurance is popularly known as a QA testing, and is defined as an activity to ensure that an organization is providing the best possible product or service to the customers. Okay, so quality assurance, popularly known as QA testing, and it just give us a positive declaration, give us assurance that that organization will provide good service, good product, or good possible product to the customers' requirement, as customers' requirement. QA focus on improving the process to deliver quality products to the customer. Okay, and organization has to ensure the process are efficient and effective as per the quality standard defined for software products. Now, organization actually work on the guidelines that provide by quality assurance team, like sometime this is ISO 901 certified, ISO certified. What is ISO certified? Actually, ISO is a quality assurance, you can say that, team. Okay, that monitor that organization. If organization use that, that product is ISO certified. Okay, ISO certified product is. So that means that ISO team monitor, always monitor that product, a yearly basis, monitor the process, that organization using their guidelines, following their guidelines and standards. uh, they provide, quality assurance team provide, organization must follow. If organization following that procedures, that guidelines, that mean that product is ISO certified product. Okay, hope you know, hope you got what I'm saying. Okay, so जब भी कोई ऐसी चीज होती है आपके पास, अब यूज कर रहे हैं, अगर वो ISO सर्टिफाइड है, दैट मीन ISO जो है वो खुद उस चीज को मॉनिटर कर रहा है, उस चीज को देख रहा है. दैट मीन कि जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मस्ट फॉलो their guidelines, their procedures, their standards. उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जो स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉलो करने हैं या वो कर रही है स्टैंडर्ड को फॉलो, ओके। तो आईएसओ टीम विजिट करती रहती है, मॉनिटर करती रहती है मंथली बेसिस और डे बेसिस, वीक बेसिस, जो भी वट एवर, ओके। When quality assurance team found that organization not following SOPs, not following their procedure, their standards, their guidelines, then ISO will not issue that thing is a ISO certified. Means ISO reject that. ISO clearly mentioned that this is not ISO certified. You can purchasing, if you are purchasing that, but that is not ISO certified. Okay. So if you use ISO certified thing or from any organization that is certified, that means you have a positive, they are giving you positive declaration. Sometimes, you know, when you are going to for your interview in a software house or any other field, okay, like a software, if you are going to any software house for the interview purpose, for the position of Oracle developer, database developer, etc., they are asking about have you Oracle certified, if you have any certification. If you said that yes, I have a Oracle certification, okay, networking certification, CCNA certification, CCNP certification, that mean the CCNP give a positive declaration that that person is a certified from us, and he know he can work in your software house without any problem, because we have checked that person, okay, and issued, monitored that person and issued a certificate that he is a QA developer, he is a Oracle developer, Oracle certified, database certified, okay, CCNA certified. That means he know all things about CCNA, CCNP developing. So you can easily hire, you can hire that person, okay. He can work without any problem uh, in comparison of a person that have not any certification, okay. So assurance means a positive declaration. Quality assurance is a QA testing, and then monitored and providing thing, improving the things to deliver a quality product to customer, okay. They are actually QA, main target of QA focus, focusing on improving the process to deliver quality product to the customer, okay. And also organization has to ensure, जो आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अगर आप कहीं से ले रहे हैं कोई चीज, तो एंश्योर करती है प्रोसेस आर एफिशिएंट एंड इफेक्टिव, ओके। जो भी प्रोसेस है, जो भी आपकी एफिशिएंसी है, एज पर द गाइडलाइन, एज पर द स्टैंडर्ड जो है वो होनी चाहिए सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट जो आपको क्यूए टेस्टिंग में दी है या आपको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ओके। नाउ वी आर वर्किंग ऑन हाउ टू डू क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस कंप्लीट प्रोसेस, ओके। So actually this is a PDCA cycle, okay, or damming cycle. We can say that damming cycle. If you heard somewhere damming cycle, that means PDCA cycle. Both are the similar word, okay. So quality assurance has a defined cycle called PDCA cycle or damming cycle. The phases of this cycle are this: plan, do, check, act. First you have to plan. You have to plan that you are doing this, whatever, okay. And then do, okay. Then check and then act. कोई भी चीज होती है पहले आप प्लानिंग करते हैं कि भाई ये सॉफ्टवेयर इस तरीके से मुझे ये चीज करनी है, प्लान, आइडिया, प्लानिंग आ गए आपके, ओके। आपने वो चीज कर दी, आपने पहले सोचा कि भाई मैं एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर, आई वांट टू मेक अ सॉफ्टवेयर, ओके। You have planned, okay, and then you have executed, means do, you have do, वो कर लिया आपने, उसके बाद आपका सॉफ्टवेयर बन गया, you have checked, आप उसको चेक भी कर लिया, you have to check, अब वो चेक करना होगा पहले, okay. After checking then act, then आप एक्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो PDCA actually PDCA cycle is called driving cycle, and these are the phases. So first plan, then do, then check, then act. Okay, you can see from my arrow, plan, then do, then check, then act. ऐसा नहीं है कि check के बाद do हो रहा है, check के बाद after check plan हो रहा है, नहीं. Actually these are in the sequence. Okay, so plan, do, check, act. Okay, so now moving, let's look to the above steps in detail. Plan, do, check, act. Okay, plan. First phase is plan. In this phase, organization must plan and express a process related to objective and determine the process that is required to deliver a high quality product. If a product is not according to user requirement or user expectation, then product will not be successful, it will be rejected. So that's why organization must plan, should plan. Okay, and it is the process related to the objective. That means the customer's requirement and expectation. Okay, related to objective and determined process. Okay, they are required to deliver high quality end product. Okay, high quality end product. Organization must, in simple words we can say that organization must deliver a high quality product, in simple word. Okay, and then do development and testing of process, and also do changes in the process. Do the development and testing of process. If you have think about plan. Okay, आपने प्लान किया कि भाई मुझे कोई चीज दे रही है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वो अच्छे से अच्छी चीज देनी है, तो डू. अब आपने वो डेवलपमेंट पे और टेस्टिंग प्रोसेस पे आ गए. You have started your development and testing process. During development or testing process you can change. Okay, अब चेंज कर सकते हैं भाई, ये आपने भी बना रहे हैं कि अचानक से पता चला भाई ये मसला है, एरर आ रहा है, तो उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं, एरर सही करते हैं. जब तो आप 3-4 मरतबा, मेनी टाइम्स यू हैव टू चेक आफ्टर SQA, confirm SQA team, confirm that it is error free and without it's work without any problem, then you can launch that software or launch that product in the market to use customers without any problem. Okay, so you can change, changes can be made during process in the do phase. Okay, now check phase, monitoring of process, modify the process and check whether it meets the predetermined objective. Predetermined objectives, what do you mean by predetermined objective here? Predetermined objective or similar thing as the customer's requirement and the customer's expectation. Okay, if a product doesn't meet with the customer's requirement, customer's expectation or predetermined object, then it will not be good product. You have to check again. Okay, and modify the process and monitor the whole process and modify process is the requirement. Okay, and check whether it meets the requirement or not. When it meets the requirement, then okay, continue, and then act. Act, in the act phase, implement actions that are necessary to achieve improvements in the process. Okay, implement action that are necessary to achieve improvements in the process. When you have finished a product, still you can implement that actions that are necessary. They can improve your product, so you can use or you can implement that action. Okay, because organization must deliver high quality and error free and product customer use without any problem. Okay, it's the main target of organization. Okay, an organization must use quality assurance to ensure that a product is designed and implemented with the correct procedure. As previous slide I already discussed with you guys that organization must follow the standard procedure and guideline of the QA team or SQA team or ISO team, whatever. Okay, you following. This help reduce problem and errors in the final product. Before launching the final product, okay, if you have any problems, if you have any errors, and you are using quality assurance, that means uh, still you if you have any errors, then you can remove that errors. If organization use quality assurance, that means this reduce problems and errors in the final product before the product launching. Okay, you have minimum errors in the final product. So organization must deliver error-free and problem-free uh, product. Okay. So now we are moving ahead and discussing quality control. We have discussed quality assurance and quality assurance. Now we are discussing quality control. What is it? So quality control, known as a QC, abbreviated as a QC, okay? And it is a software engineering process used to ensure quality in a product or a service, okay? Quality control, actually QC and QC team, you can say QC is a software engineering process and it used to ensure the quality in a product, okay? QC wants quality in a product. He doesn't deal with it doesn't deal with process used to create a product. Rather, it examines the quality of the end product and the final outcomes. Quality control, in other words, we can say that if एक बंदा है जो कोई चीज बना रहा है, ठीक है, तो क्वालिटी कंट्रोल का काम क्या होता है? वो चीज बन के आती है तो क्वालिटी की इस चीज को देखती है कि ये इसकी क्वालिटी क्या है, इसकी क्वालिटी, अगर वेब एप्लीकेशन बने इसकी क्वालिटी क्या है, या कोई water bottle Nestle, we have taken example previously. So again just drink the water and check the quality. If it's good, okay, they will allow to launch. Okay, they doesn't deal that what procedure, what guidelines he used, okay, to create. Just examine the quality of the final product, final outcome. ये क्वालिटी कंट्रोल क्या करती है? जस्ट फाइनल आउटकम पे आती है और आउटकम को ही चेक करती है ओनली. ओके, ये चेक नहीं करती कि इसके अंदर प्रोसेस क्या यूज हुआ है क्या नहीं हुआ. तो क्वालिटी कंट्रोल डजंट डील विथ प्रोसेस, but quality assurance deal with process. Make sure, remember that quality control does not deal with processes, but quality assurance we deal with processes. Okay. The main aim of quality control is to check whether the product meets the specification and requirement of the customer. The main goal of quality control is to check whether the product meets the specification requirement of customer. Okay. If an issue identified, it needs to be fixed before delivery to the customer. Main goal of quality control is discussed that if you have purchased a Nestle bottle, if you found any problem, that is not not a requirement, not error free. Okay, so that's why QC control QC must check that final product will be error free. Okay, it must be error free product. If they find error in a final product, then they will send back to the team, or okay, that improve that product. We have found some errors, some bugs, and then they will return back, and team again working on it and fix that error, and then QC examine the product. If now they are fixed, then okay, it's ready to be delivered, it's ready to be ready for the launching. Okay, so main aim of the QC is check the product, that product must satisfy must satisfy the customer's requirement. Okay, QC, main goal of QC is to check the final product satisfying customer's requirement or not. If satisfying the customer's requirement and it is error free, then go ahead. It's good and can be delivered to the any person or any customer at launch. Okay. Otherwise, vice versa. That means you have to fix problem first and then check QC check again, and then finally, if it's okay, then you can deliver to the customers. Okay. So I think you got about what is quality control. Okay. Now, difference between quality control and quality assurance. We have studied quality, we have studied quality assurance, we have studied quality control. But what is difference between a QC and a QA? QC abbreviated quality control and a QA is a quality assurance. Okay. Sometimes QC is confused with QA. Sometimes QC is confused with QA. Quality control is to examine the product or service and check for the result. As already discussed that QC doesn't check process. He just examine the final product, and if it is good, then okay. But quality assurance is to examine the process and make changes to the process which lead to the end product. So quality assurance deals with the process, and quality control deals with the product, not deal with the process. कोई भी प्रोसेस यूज करके कोई भी चीज बनाई, QC सिर्फ देखेगी प्रोडक्ट में क्या है, जस्ट प्रोडक्ट. ओके, डजंट डील उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं, वो नहीं सोचेगी प्रोसेस क्या यूज किया आपने, क्या क्या है क्या नहीं किया, ठीक है, क्या गाइडलाइन फॉलो की, कुछ भी नहीं, जस्ट वो चेक करेगी फाइनल प्रोडक्ट, फाइनल आउटकम. बट QA team must examine the process and make changes to the process which lead to the end product. Okay, तो क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस का जो मेन काम है वो ये है कि प्रोसेस को एग्जाम करना, कि प्रोसेस जो चीज बन रही है वो किस चीज से बन रही है, कैसे बन रही है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि वो कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है इसके अंदर और फिर बना के आपको दे दी जा रही है. ओके, बात यानी कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को दोनों चेक कर रहे हैं, QC भी चेक कर रही है और QA. Okay, both QC and QA team examine the organization. Okay, and the main target of organization is to deliver the high quality product. क्योंकि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हाई क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट ही डिलीवर करनी है टू द कस्टमर. बिकॉज अगर हाई क्वालिटी नहीं होगी तो उसको QA आगे फॉरवर्ड करने नहीं देगा. ओके, और उससे अगर प्रोडक्ट अच्छी नहीं होगी तो QC फाइनल नहीं करने देगा, और QC फाइनल नहीं करने देंगे उसको, दैट मीन तो कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट के मुताबिक नहीं होगी और विल नॉट बी डिलीवर टू द कस्टमर. इसलिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो मेन टारगेट होता है वो यही होता है हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, कि डिलीवर बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट एवर पॉसिबल, बेस्ट जितना पॉसिबल हो सके उतनी अच्छी से अच्छी क्वालिटी जो है वो कस्टमर्स को डिलीवर की जाए. ओके, सो आई होप दैट्स इनफ फॉर टुडे. That's all for today. Okay, in next lecture we will learn about quality control, quality assurance differences, what is QA testing, quality control testing, etc. So today all about today. Okay, thank you.